Every time after opening the Visual Studio Code. Need to run webpack comment. Let's automate this process after opening the Visual Studio Code. Create .vscode folder in your root directory. Create tasks.json file inside vscode folder. Enter the version number. It should be 2.0.0. Now open task array and enter the label. I am named it as my run watch. Now mention type as shell, because it will open and run terminal. Now enter your own command that you wanted to run. Now enter run options. When the command wanted to run, mention it as folder open. That is it. We completed the code part. Now close the VS Code and reopen VS Code. Wait, it is opening. See here. A new terminal opened and running. We configured command npm run watch. If it is not running, open the setting and find the Manage Automatic Task option and choose the Allow Automatic Tasks and Folder option. That is it, now successfully automated the process. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel.